And you've talked about the data wheel of death. Can
Yeah.
you, which sounds super ominous. Can
Yeah.
you talk more about that?
Yeah, so the data wheel of death came out of, I don't even remember who the conversation was with, but we were talking about it, and I just, like, the words blurted out of my mouth of like, like greater than 80% of data projects I've seen fail.
Wow.
And then we started talking a little bit about why. And there's a ton of different reasons why, and we could talk about all those reasons, but I think the most common one that I've seen is that at the root of the problem is that a lot of companies say, okay, like, I know we need to use data within our organization to drive some type of result or better outcome. And so they're like, all right, we're gonna get serious about data. And they do this whole project plan around implementing whatever it might be, analytics or data. And they're like, okay, like we're here today and we're gonna get here. And the problem with viewing anything data related as a project is that fundamentally data needs to be seen as a core part of your product development process, right? It's an ongoing thing, right? And so when you don't view it as part of the process, what happens is you do this project, and then inevitably you haven't gotten some things right or some things change, right? And as things change, the data gets like a little bit messy or things aren't right. And so then people stop trusting the data. And then once they stop trusting the data, they stop using the data, right? And it just kind of feeds on itself to the point that you probably have some set of analytics dashboards or something just like hiding away that nobody else looks at, and it's basically useless and trash, right? And so that's essentially what this data wheel of death is that as soon as people start losing trust in the data and you're not there to quickly act on it, it incentivizes them to stop using the data. And when they stop using the data, then you stop investing resources in it. And when you stop investing resources, right, like it just repeats. It just feeds on itself. And so that's where that came from.